Okay, from yesterday, finished the Acme thread nut, which is now in here. Put the gibs in, it'll be brand new. I'll put a small pin in to retain the the brand new Acme thread nut for this device. It's brand new now for operating. Anyway, I had to use this guy to knock out a piece of hard steel. Where is that? Right here. Small pin that used to anchor the old one in. I just chopped it off. And I'll put it together, put the good stack together. What else was I using today? Oh, I think that's it. Oh, yeah. Demonstrated? Okay, sure. If I can. Where are we here? See? Perfect. For the hole in there, I used a variable expanding reamer. And just give a few turns, cleaned out any junk or burrs and anything in there, and it just fits perfect. So, that's the story of the Acme thread nut. Used a tap to make it, as well as this little lathe here. Which you gotta clean up too. Okay. Well, that's it. Thought I'd just cover that story for a bit. Alrighty, here we go.